The next generation Roblox Studio UI update is just around the corner. In fact, it was supposed to come out sometime in mid-October, but we're obviously overdue, and its permanent release is imminent. Because of this major change to Studio's user interface, I'm rehauling my scripting mastery course, and the rehaul will feature better production quality, extra content, supplemental materials, and even be hosted on its own website, which you might be watching this video from. When the new Studio user interface is released, I will be taking this course off sale. So this will be the last chance to grab the course at a cheap price before it increases after the rehaul is released. And all current students that are enrolled in the course will be receiving the rehaul absolutely free. This is a large project I'll be preoccupied with over the next several months, so if you'd like to stay up to date on the latest information regarding the new course and get a discount code for early access if you're not interested in purchasing now, then join the email list on my site, crushfiremedia.com. Link will be in the description and pinned comment. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below, the Discord, or check the frequently asked questions page to see if your question has already been answered. That's going to be all from me. Happy scripting, and I will see you next time.